very good evening, dear distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are gathered here for a respectable evening to witness the beauty of a life journey whose aroma of humanity will never leave this nature, this earth, even though he has left us a decade ago. So, let's commence the 10th year commemoration eve of late Professor Sudatta Ranasinghe, who was a great academic and more than that, who was a great human being, and also one of the former deans at the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences at the Open University of Sri Lanka.
We remember Professor Ranasinghe not only for his distinguished career, but for his innovative and visionary approach to education. It was his foresight that led to the creation of MBA in HRM program in collaboration with the Chartered and Staff Personal Management Sri Lanka.
A visionary is a creator of a vision for the future and inspires others to make it a reality. Late Professor Sudatta Ranasinghe was that great, one-of-a-kind visionary who saw world differently and was ambitious to achieve his life goals in and beyond academia.
The Open University was his second home. It was a source of conversation every night at the dinner table. I feel I know some of you because I have heard about some of you so much. He had his joys and his pains here. It was his last academic home, and I know how much his colleagues were there with him during the last stages of his life.
Let me thank all of you for attending this event in memory of our late Professor Sudatta Ranasinghe. Finally, I wish late Professor Sudatta Ranasinghe be attained the supreme bliss of Nirvana.